យើងនៅនៅទៅស្ទូររត់ទិញមាន់ប្រាំងធ្វើគីស្ទូរនេះចំណាំម្លេះ lucky day today 50% off all for fresh turkey មាន់ប្រាំងjust ពាក់កណ្ដាលបងប្អូនច្រើនណាស់អូខេនេះមកណាធម្មជាតិយកមួយណានេះ please thank you you're very helpful.
Want a bigger one?
That's good. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Let's put in the car. Yeah, បានមន់ប្រាំងហើយបងប្អូនតោះយើងនាំគ្នាទៅស្លការីថ្ងៃនេះជាមួយខ្ញុំ Let's go cook a curry turkey with me you guys. Okay? Let's go home. Such a beautiful day. ថ្ងៃនេះល្អណាស់ Asian market. Lots. មកដល់កន្លែងនំប៉័ងច្រើនណាស់អូល្អណាស់តូចនេះយើងហើយបងប្អូនយកនំប៉័ងខ្លីៗញ៉ាំមួយការីធ្វើពីថ្ងៃនេះតែក៏ dinner roll ទៅ salad ខ្ទឹមក្រហមបងប្អូនមួយទៅខ្ទឹមស garlic ឯផ្លែរវែងតែបដោះញ៉ាំចូលឡាំវិញស្តេកគួរគ្រូ lemongrass open the bag and check the turkey out តោះយើងបាន turkey ធំហើយមកពីផ្សារមិញឥឡូវនេះឌូមដាក់នេះហើយ19 pound almost 20 pound everyone លាមថ្លៃមកជិត20 pound ណាបងប្អូនចាធំហើយខ្ញុំនឹងស្លការីពាក់កណ្ដាល You will need half of the turkey I'm gonna save half for different dish lemongrass ស្លឹកគ្រៃខ្ទឹមក្រហម shallot 2 whole of garlic ខ្ទឹមសម្ដេងកន្លងក root okay so I can open for you to see បើវាឲ្យបងប្អូនមើលនេះចាក្នុងថង់នេះចាថង់នេះតិចវាចេញកាត់វានេះស្លឹកក្រូចដាក់ច្រើនក៏បានដែរប៉ុន្តែបងប្អូនកុំព្រួយបារម្ភខ្ញុំដាក់ស្រស់ពាក់កណ្ដាលទេហើយខ្ញុំនឹងថែមគ្រឿង3ស្ព្រាទៅនៅលើហិលតិចឬក៏ច្រើន The fresh ingredient as you see here plus I'm going to make this one by scratch from hand ស្ករត្នោតចាហើយទៅកាពិតិចទៅកាពិបងប្អូនកាពិតិចទៅខ្ញុំដាក់នៅក្រោមនេះហើយដើម្បីបងប្អូនមើលទឹកត្រីតិចទៅ fish sauce salt onions eggplant and then long bean string okay eggplant drop បងប្អូនហើយនឹងសណ្តែកវែងនេះចា long bean okay carrot បងប្អូនចា lastly is potato ដលងបារាំងបងប្អូនចា chicken broth នេះម្ទេសហ៎បងប្អូនចាយើងត្រាំវាទុកម្ទេសគ្រា let it soak and then softer and then when you ready it's there for you ត្រាំចោលទៅមួយទឹកត្រជាក់ចាខែ3ម៉ោងទៅ5ម៉ោងចា yeahហើយturkey មួយហ្នឹងខ្ញុំបានចែកជា2ចំណែក You see now I cut into small pieces for the curry the pre-wash okay so I marinate a little bit of the salt and then wash with cold water with the salt wash it off later for the curry okay នេះខ្ញុំបងប្អូនខ្ញុំយកវាមកដាក់អំបិលបន្តិចមកលាងដើម្បីយកលាងទឹកទៅវាអត់សូវល្អហើយវាជ្រះផងចាអរគុណឥឡូវនេះបងប្អូននេះតុនអស់ហើយឥឡូវខ្ញុំយកវាមកកោស scoop it only the soft good discard it make it soft like this or put in a blender នេះហើយទុកសម្រាប់វាទៅស្លការីនឹងឥឡូវនឹងឯងចាវាឆាមួយគ្រឿងឲ្យឈ្ងុយសិនណាចា that's it so you keep this one for curry so we follow me ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំហាន់ស្លឹកគ្រៃហើយនឹងខ្ទឹមក្រហមម្ទេសហើយនឹងស្លឹកក្រូចបន្តិចបន្តួចបានអស់ណាបងប្អូនព្រោះខ្ញុំគ្រាន់ធ្វើនេះពាក់កណ្ដាលត្រួសហើយតិចទៀតខ្ញុំថែមគ្រឿងវាក្នុងកំប៉ុងណាចាក្នុងកែវចាឥឡូវហ្នឹងបើកភ្លើងចាយកបុកចូលគ្នា lemon grass and kaffir lime leaf and then shallot and kalanka so you wanna roast it about 5 minutes and smell aroma smell delicious this until they look like paste so you want to do like this about probably 10 or 15 minutes until they very soft red curry paste នៅកំប៉ុង okay 1 2 3
add to what
add to the one that the lemongrass and kaffir lime leaf that I roasted now it's turned paste now so you want to add a little bit from here red curry paste in a plastic container okay this one you can find in a grocery store ឯងយកបុកចូលគ្នាទៅត្រូវការឆ្នាំធំ need a big pot and then the cooking oil okay put olive oil and this is a this is a red pepper okay red pepper okay and kalanka left over this is the red pepper, the paste one, the one that I cooked it 2 minutes ago. ម្ទេសហ៎បងប្អូនម្ទេសក្លោកហ្នឹងតែយើងយកតែសាច់វាហ្នឹងដាក់វាឈ្ងុយដាក់វាមុនគេចឹងហើយចាបើដាក់មុនគេលីងវាចឹងទៅវាអត់ចេញប្រេងណាចាវាចេញប្រេងគ្រឿងបុកវិញហ្នឹងដាក់នេះហើយនឹង shrimp paste it's soft a little bit put in Not about all not palm sugar 2 can of coconut milk ទីដូងបងប្អូនចាដាក់2កំប៉ុងណាដល់វិញចូលអេនដៃឈូវាទៅទៅត្រប់ហើយក៏onion ទឹមបារាំងហេរ៉ូដាក់ចូលហើយ chicken bouillon Okay, so it's all done. My roasted peanut about 5 minutes ago. Make it a little bit more. Go inside the curry. It smells really good. Yeah. Okay, my last coconut milk. Okay, this is the second one. Put everything in here. Put all done. So I am adding about half more palm sugar because I want a little bit more sweet. I decide to add 3 coconut milk so add another one okay everyone ខ្ញុំថាខ្ទិះដូងហ្នឹងវាស្ទើរពេកឥឡូវខ្ញុំថែមកំប៉ុងទៀតទាំងអស់សរុបទាំងអស់3កំប៉ុងបងប្អូនចា total of 3 can of coconut milk because I want a little bit more creamy so So if you want only 2, it's fine too. But see, it's a little bit better. A little bit of tea có hòm con bốn đã có hòm tea có hòm thịt đó. This is it. It's all done. Này. Nhâm nắng ai nhâm cho vui nông păng đi cái nhé. Dương vô về mà ăn tí tới ngồi tới dương vô mà chỉ lụ về nhâm. You can eat the turkey curry with French bread like this. Any kind that you guys want to try, but this is my favorite. So if you like to try this one, you're welcome to do that. You can pick any kind of bread from the market, it's fine too. And you eat this one with the Cambodian noodle curry as well. So you have so many choices to eat with. You can pour over the rice, or you can eat with the noodle and top on this cilantro and bean sprout, cucumber, anything that you like to top on. Okay, so I'm going to add more soon. ហើយយើងញ៉ាំមួយនំបញ្ចុកយើងយកមកស្រោចលើបាយក៏បានដែរស្រេចបងប្អូនទេចា Okay, my turkey curry is already done and looks really tender. Look really nice color. It's fully done, everyone. Looking good. Cannot wait for my family to try. Wow, delicious. So nice, beautiful color too. Very healthy. Very healthy dish. Look at that. Oh, sorry I made you guys hungry. រួចរាល់ហើយបងប្អូនរួចរាល់អស់ហើយ curry turkey របស់ខ្ញុំគឺឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់បងប្អូនគួរតែសាកមើលណាកុំភ្លេចជួយចុច subscribe to my channel បងប្អូនសូមសំណូមពរជួយចុចជាវឲ្យខ្ញុំផងចាខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើវីដេអូថ្មីបន្តទៅទៀតមានច្រើនណាស់ទៅថ្ងៃអនាគតនេះជារូបមន្តមួយដ៏ល្អបំផុតចាមាន់បារាំងបងប្អូនមាន់បារាំងធ្វើ curry នៅស្រុកគេញ៉ាំជាមួយនំប៉័ងញ៉ាំជាមួយនំបញ្ចុកក៏បានដែរខ្ញុំធ្វើអាន2មុខចាអញ្ចឹងរួចស្រេចអស់ហើយនេះស្លាបវាអូឆ្ងាញ់មែនបងប្អូនអរគុណច្រើនញ៉ាំជាមួយនំបញ្ចុកមានល្បាយហើយ turkey ខ្ញុំវិញហ្នឹងខ្ញុំធ្វើម៉ូតផ្សេងទៀតដាក់ Coca នៅខាងនេះហើយនំប៉័ងញ៉ាំមួយគ្រីមទៅនំប៉័ងហ្នឹងនំប៉័ងនេះក៏បាននំប៉័ងនៅខាងនេះក៏បានឬក៏បងប្អូនជួយចិត្តនំបញ្ចុកឬក៏នំប៉័ងទេយើងអាចញ៉ាំស្រូបជាមួយបាយបានដែរចា This is my curry turkey. Look at that. Look good. I'm gonna show you how to decorate the Christmas tree for any occasion like Christmas, Thanksgiving. At this time, I'm going to show you a basic how to decoration from whatever you have in your decoration table here. So I did this one and it turned out really nice, so that's why I want to show you guys it. So basically I use whatever I have left over, like a paper plate, a cup and the napkin. Okay, so it's just less than $5. So here you go. So this is how I do it. I add the cup, I add the paper plate already, as you guys see in the Christmas tree here. And so you got one napkin. You wanna fold it like this, and okay, and flip it over. Go like this, back and forth. Okay. Again, flip it over until they get to the last step. Okay, like this. All right, looking good. And then you hold it just like so. Ta-da! Okay, so right here I am going to fill out in this spot here Christmas tree like you already see it. So this last one I'm going to put up there. Okay, so I am going to use each here to get up. Okay, perfect. Yes! That's my $5 decoration. not the tree, but you know, the cup, the paper plate, and the napkin. And you can do this one on Christmas, green color and red color. Family today is Thanksgiving.
Rebel.
Yeah, you can change. The nice thing about Christmas tree is the white one is that they have a very nice backdrop, so you can add any kind of color. Okay, so that's my techniques tip of the year. Okay, all right.